Welcome back to the channel. Now the people of rural Jamaica, I said them fed up with the administration and the empty promises. The people must have road and water. The opposition is saying that the administration is delusional. Last touch with the people. Seeming almost as if they're in an alternative reality where the people are alright with the policies and everything is going good. When in reality, this is what the people must say. Let me come here walk one and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
You cannot feel like a Christian every day for water.
Rice.
Every day we have a Christian and a pot more for water. We don't want no rice, we don't want nothing from the government. We just want water and road and a ball field. And a ball field filled up for kids. A different division and him have to help with. And him have to help with. Business. Water source. Yes. And that Shilani, you know me boss. Big Manchester where we have one river, 3 big reservoirs. And like this. And in 2024. And not 1824. And 2024 this. That we need. We have a community. Go right down to near it. We want road and water. That we need. The councillor now do nothing for we boy. Mr. Sean now do nothing for we boy. You don't go and win election and then you just gone. We want road and water in our community. How long you have this situation existing? Years we have this situation about 30 years now. Road and water or what?
Now how much louder the people want to shout. It seems as if only after taking to the streets are results seen by the people. Almost as if there's no councillors, no MPs where the people them can talk to. But as with the people them point out, you can't get in contact with these people. Them pass through, them win, and you don't see them back. The people also point out, say, if you notice, when they matter about the vehicles that were given to elected officials, notice the vehicle them with them choose. Large SUVs. Them know the road, them not good. And like them no plan to fix them. Them buy vehicle where can drive off-road terrain. And of course, like I said, that probably come from either taxpayer money or the company itself. You know, when they buy vehicles to them own money. Of course, are European luxury vehicles. You know it go. But these protests, these cries and calls from the people coincide with the opposition and say the administration is clearly out of touch with the people. And we think that is the reason for MPs and councillors. So the people them can talk to the councillors can relay the information to the MPs and something can be done. We don't know what go on. The people must them tired for you, say. They might construct places for much billions of dollars. While it just recently post on the Prime Minister page say minimum wage go up. Day labourer on these construction sites still get $2,500 and $3,000. Where the billions of dollars go? They must say if road repairs, maintenance and construction, infrastructure for the island, in another word, is a focus of the state, why is it that road works now have basic equipment for either construct or maintain roads? And if them have the equipment, all them people in the streets are ask the government for them and ask them for. I'll circle back to the point. Why is it that when the people them need to communicate to elected officials, they must take to the streets? While when they must seek elect, or they must seek for get elected, them find the people them. We see them across all river. Sometimes I wonder how them reach some people. And them all have video it. They have the audacity to even video some of these voyages. Them across river forget to people. And I promise them bridges. I don't know. Them know the people them round though. And they know the infrastructure is needed. So them can't bring it to fruition. I'll know. The people must say them hear the administration and ask. Plead with them. I say, them are do good work. Give them a chance to continue to do good work. The people must say what kind of good work. The people reach a point when even when me be objective and I point out good policies that have been put in place by the administration. The people them cause. The people are so fed up that the old tactic of when the people are talk about one thing and I see them concerned about that, show them something else that is, doing good. The people them now support it at all. Some people are the first MC supporters. If your party were in power, so fed up with their own party and administration. We feel like elected officials can do better. Even if what people have always suspected and what some people have said is true, that person there take the money, that the person take the money. So the truth is, if Jamaica was doing better for everybody, it would have better for everybody. If the country was doing better, there wouldn't be any shortfalls in corporate taxes. You wouldn't have a situation where people on the streets see your road and water. You wouldn't have none of these situations. Some people say them feel like the administration are pretty up because it's so election time. So much so that the opposition has started to call them delusional. Because in their attempts to paint a better picture of what going on versus what the people must say. Even right now, publicly, upon what going on in Manchester, they must say after delusional, the administration delusional. They must clearly in an alternate universe. And of course the comment section open. But the millions where continue to get spent in areas of the people must say 20 billion this, 21 billion over this, 5 billion over this. Can't work. The millions of them here so them are pay to individuals where the government itself are looking to. For unsanctioned activities. Remember, they have individuals where millions of dollars gone missing from a ministry. The government investigate that. Put these individuals on leave. And now we say 81 million. Not just to these individuals, but individuals in similar are the same situation. After money missing, still getting paid. People must say at this point it won't look like something or something. And with the administration now clearly seeing the polls as a reflection of the mindset of the voters, clearly seem to be pleading with the society. Almost as if them feel like the people them ready to vote for the opposition. It's almost as if them believe say if the election was tomorrow, even without campaigning, the opposition would win. But I say it again, as some people comment and point out, polls not win the election. Votes from voters do. So talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Clearly, them people in Manchester say them fed up. They must them tired of the elected officials way forward for votes and then disappear from them. And then when they want any type of representation, they must take to the streets. When they want something to be done in the community, they must do this. And it look good. Even when they point that out, say it's almost like elected officials only concerned with votes. All them are going to say nothing different. When the people must say them can't get to a councillor or MP, and they say them only resort, last resort this. And see, no, them supposed to hear. By the way, they're supposed to fully aware of what take place. But talk to me in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, just pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share and tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section open 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts and comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue reasoning via the comment section. Until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love, and prosper. I want to stay tuned.